In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include PayPal fees in an invoice. By the end, you'll know two simple ways to show a processing fee right on your invoice, so your totals are clear and accurate. Start in your invoice editor. The first method is to add the fee as its own line item. Click the button to create a new item. Give it a clear name, something like processing fee or PayPal fee, so your customer immediately understands what it is. In the amount field, enter the exact fee you expect to be charged for this transaction. If it helps, add a short description to explain the purpose, such as covers payment processing. This adds transparency and can reduce back and forth questions later. If you know you'll use this fee again, check the option to save the item for future invoices. That way, you won't have to recreate it next time. When you're done, click Add at the bottom right of the new line item to insert it into the invoice. There's also a second method that keeps the fee within the total section. Look to the right-hand panel where you see your invoice subtotal, discount, shipping, and an area labeled Other Amount. Click Add in that Other Amount area. You'll see fields where you can enter a name, for example, PayPal fee and the amount. Confirm your entry and it will appear in the summary card along with your subtotal and shipping, updating your grand total automatically. Whichever method you choose, be consistent with how you label the fee so your customers know what to expect. Also keep in mind that fees can vary by country, account type, and currency, so use the most up-to-date rate for your situation. If you're unsure, check your payment provider's current fee schedule before finalizing the amount. And remember, rules about passing fees to customers differ by region and platform policy. So make sure your approach aligns with applicable terms and local regulations. Before you send the invoice, take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure the fee is correctly named, the amount is accurate, taxes and shipping still look right, and the grand total reflects exactly what you intend to charge. A quick preview can help catch formatting or rounding issues. When everything looks good, click Send at the top right to deliver the invoice to your customer. You'll see on screen that key buttons and fields are highlighted to guide you. Follow those highlights if you want a visual reference. That's all there is to it. Clear, transparent, and ready to use on your next invoice.